Hi everyone! It's Bailey from the College Memorial Public Library with a new Teen STEAM video. Today, our project is a bead or marble maze, which is inspired by a post from Frugal Fun for boys and girls. As always, I'll leave a link to the original content in the description box below. If you're interested in trying this out for yourself, there are kits available on level 4 in the teen department while supplies last. In the kits, you'll find a box you can use, an instruction sheet, a bead, but you can also use a marble instead, and some craft sticks. You'll also need a pencil, scissors or an X-Acto knife, hot glue or tape, and something you can trace for circles like a nickel or quarter. Use one entire top or bottom lid to construct your track. Make sure the box is flipped with the sides facing up, meaning the colored part of the box sits on the table and the brown faces you. This establishes walls to keep the bead in the box when playing the game. Design your track by cutting the craft sticks to your liking before gluing or taping them in place. You can mark the track in advance with a pencil or build as you go, testing the design. Remember to account for the holes you want to put in the maze to make it harder. They can be placed anywhere. Trace a nickel or quarter, cutting out its shape with scissors or an X-Acto knife. Since my bead is larger, I'm going to use a quarter, but you also have the option of freehanding the circles that will act as obstacles for your bead or marble. Another quick side note is that the bigger the coin is, the harder the game may become because there's less space to maneuver the bead. Consequently, you can make the game as difficult or as easy as you would like it to be. Once the labyrinth is finished, you can test the maze out in full. Feel free to hover the maze over your other lid so the bead can easily be retrieved if it falls through one of your holes. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in another video soon.